we're gonna be able to read codes. This is the basic, right? We're gonna be having the codes related to the fault. If we wanna take additional information, we can see the freeze frame data. We can check the last day and hour of occurrence, system state. If we go to this tab, we can see some of the help and components of the fault code. This is some of the possible fault codes causes that might be generating the code, right? Some of the effects, and also we have the oil pressure sensor. This is the component related to the fault. If we're looking to see information about the component, operational data, system diagrams, system identification, locations in the engine, and also the pinouts, we're going to be able to check all that technical information and data over here. That will be the component related to this fault. Okay, you can see some tables over there, some graphs as well, and some operational data, tightening torques, and some measurements related to this component. Other functions, we got system data, we have the ECU data. If you ever wonder the engine and serial numbers, the ECU software version, whenever you'd like to flash and update these these ECMs, you likely go and get some data from here. We also got parameters of the systems that were configured, right? Some brake horsepowers, some torques maximum. If we are ever wondering how is our ECM set up to have and gain all these values at operational. Also got live monitoring and measurements, so you can do some system checks. If you ever want to see some system displays from the fuel engine system or the exhaust gases system, we can just check here, and we're going to be having interesting gauges over here and displays about what's going on in a simultaneous way, right? Engine speeds, pressures on the common injection rail, duty cycles, nominal pressures, raw values and real values, right? That required by the ECM and what's actually happening at the same time. We can check exhaust systems. I know this is very important when doing live monitorings and when doing filter replacements. We have the DOC, DPF. If the system is composed with an SCR, the AdBlue, we're getting all the information and temperatures out there. Okay. We can also check some graphs. We can leave a range of 5 or 2 minutes to see how is the graph related to the nominal values on each of the sensors, and if we're getting good lectures to the codes. We can see also great coverage for technical data and info we've got on this engine. We have tightening torques and also components, so we can have a reference and location. We also got electrical diagrams, the wiring diagrams for the ECM we are looking to connect. This is available if you are more into the electronics. You're going to be having a guidance on each of the components. Related to the maintenance, we're going to be able to read all the after treatment system maintenance, the particular filter regens, the PRV valves, the fuel control volume valve. Okay, we have different diagnostics and maintenance reports. If you are using it as a city driving, or if you use these trucks as a long trip driving, severe driving, you're going to be having different parameters in the maintenance.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.